types of solution. Types of solution of differential equation. There are two types of solution. One is
define, like one is a definite solution and the other is
one is general solution,
Hmm.
and another one is particular
particular.
solution. And when we state about general solution, we will say that it will have, the general solution will have arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. General solution will have arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants like A, B, C. Do you know the difference between a constant and an arbitrary constant?
Yes sir, like ABC हम वहाँ पे particular numbers होंगे
और constant से मतलब
numbers होंगे like A, like मतलब like 4 5 6 या कोई value.
आर्बिट्रेरी क्यों बोलते हैं हम इसे?
क्यों unknown हो और कोई भी हो सकता है.
ये कांस्टेंट है पर ये कोई भी वैल्यू अटेन कर सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट. सो इफ in the solution of differential equation we are having arbitrary constants, then it is general solution. And if you have fixed the values of arbitrary constant or you have assigned a particular value to arbitrary constant, then it will be particular solution. In particular solution we will have what? In particular solution
We have constants.
a particular value will be assigned to arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So in the previous example, if I'll just ask you that this given function y is equals to a sin x plus b, is it particular or arbitrary? General solution. And if I write it in different way, like 5 times sin x plus 4, then
it's a particular solution.
Yes, then it is particular solution. And this one is, again I am writing it wrong, this is general solution. I think it is clear to you. Any doubt till now?
No sir.
Okay, so we can have some examples and then we can move to exercise or next concept if it is clear to you. So I will start with a simple example. Example is, verify that y is equals to e raised to minus 3x is a solution of differential equation. And differential equation is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y is equals to 0. This is the question. Can you solve it?
Yes sir, I'll solve it.
Okay, how we will deal?
So first I'm substituting the value in the equation.
Yes, we can go in that way.
That way is पहले dy by dx into dy by dx of e raised to power minus 3x.
Yes.
Plus dy plus dy by dx of e raised to minus 3x minus 6 e raised to minus 3x.
Yes. It is a way to go, but another way is far better, because in this case we are having a very simple function and it will be easy for us to calculate d square y by dx square and dy by dx in a single shot, in a single way. But if we are having some complex functions, then it will be some tedious process for us to calculate. So to avoid mistakes, what we will do is that we will calculate dy by dx another separately and d square y by dx square separately, and then we will substitute. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. So like for simple functions, we use the first method and the complex one use second method.
Yes, we can go. Okay, so what I am having is y is equals to e raised to minus 3x. So first of all, I will calculate dy by dx. What is the derivative of e raised to minus 3x?
So e raised to minus 3x into into 3
Into
minus 3.
minus 3. Okay. So dy by dx will be e raised to minus 3x, and derivative of minus 3x will be again,
Minus
and we will have dy by dx is equals to,
minus 3 e raised to power minus 3x.
yes, it is dy by dx. And another requirement for me is d square y by dx square. So I will calculate d square y by dx square, and it will be d by dx of dy by dx, that is minus 3 times e raised to minus 3x. Oh, and it will be minus 3 times d by dx of e raised to minus 3x. Do you know that constant will be outside of the differentiation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So d square y by dx square will be what?
So 3 e raised to power minus x into minus
Minus
3.
3, and minus 3 again we will have by the differentiation. So it will be
So
plus
plus
9
9.
and e raised to minus 3x. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now go for differential equation. We will just pick up left hand side. Left hand side is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y is equals to, what is the value of d square y by dx square? It is 9 times e raised to
9
minus
minus
3x.
3x.
9 times e raised to minus 3x plus value of dy by dx is minus 3 times
E
e
raised to
raised to
power
minus
x.
3x minus 6. What is the value of y? It is e raised to minus 3x. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So by the simplification, it will be 9 times e raised to minus 3x minus 3 times e raised to minus 3x and minus 6 times e raised to minus 3x. And again, we will have 9 times e raised to minus 3x. Minus 3 and minus 6. We will have minus 9 e raised to minus 3x. Yes or
So
no?
here we can like take e raised to minus 3x common out now.
Yes, definitely we can have. And we can go in this way also, or you can just have common e raised to power minus 3x, and it will be again 9 minus 9, that is 0.
0.
So it will be 0 na.
Yes, sir.
So finally I can state that left hand side of the differential equation is equals to right hand side, and
Yes,
if
sir.
it is so, hence y is equals to e raised to minus 3x is a
Solution.
solution of given differential equation. Given differential
Differential
equation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you comment about the nature, whether it is general or particular?
So general.
It is general. How?
So because x and y are variables.
Yes, x and y are variables, but how we will classify general and particular? With the help of variable or constant?
So with the help of constant, but there is no constant, so it will be general.
Really, there is no constant.
So otherwise we'll take it as 1.
पक्का?
So फिर 1 लेंगे तो particular हो जाएगा.
ये क्या है? ये भाई साहब यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं
-3.
-3. Isn't it a constant?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो
it
फिर
is a
particular
constant.
particular solution.
Yes, exactly. It is a particular. Particular. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I have my chocolate?
Yes, sir. You'll have to come to Dubai for that.
Okay, go for another example, then we will move to another concept. And example number 3rd. It is
So verify
y
that
equals to,
a cos x plus b sin x.
and we have to check for is equals to 0. First of all, comment on the nature of the solution. It is general or particular?
General.
General. How?
So a and b.
Yes, we are having arbitrary constants a and b. And before proceeding the question, you just read question very carefully. In questions, it will be mentioned that a and b are arbitrary constant, or it can attain any real value. So be careful about that.
A
In
b
some
belongs
questions,
to
there,
R.
yeah, in some questions there will be a, b, c, and then they will comment that a and b are arbitrary constant and nothing about c. Then we will focus on arbitrary constant, not on c. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How will you go?
So we will take it as पहले dy by dx को लेंगे and we'll find dy
Yes,
by
sir.
dx will come as minus a sin x plus b cos x.
Okay. Dy
And then
by
we'll
dx
find
will be
minus a sin x plus b cos x. And then उसको वापस differentiate करेंगे तो फिर minus a cos x plus minus b sin x.
What about it?
So minus a cos x minus b sin x.
Are you looking into the book?
No, sir. So and then we'll substitute this in the equation.
Yeah, common out na. Minus a cos x plus b sin x, and a
Yes,
cos
sir.
x plus b sin x is my original value of y.
So
So
it will
I
come
will
as
have,
negative y.
yes,
So minus
negative
y
y.
plus y equal to 0.
Yes, or we can shift it on this way na. D square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. So what we have done is that by starting
Minus
with
y
the
plus y
original
equal to
function,
0.
yes, we have created the differential equation, and hence we can comment that the given function is general solution, or normally we can comment that it is the solution of given differential equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or another way is that we can substitute y, like left hand side, right hand side is equals to 0. That is another way. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is
Clear.
it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now just look for exercise 9.2. कर लोगे?
Yes, sir.
एक दो क्वेश्चंस करिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए, या आगे चल सकते?
तो थोड़े 2-3 क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं फिर.
ओके, तो स्टार्टिंग से करते हैं ना.
ठीक है.
हाँ, इजी इजी मैं करता हूँ, फिर हार्ड वाले तुम करना.
सर या तो आप ऐसे कर ले, इसमें से जो भी हार्ड वाले हैं वो भी सॉल्व करते हैं, बाकी मैं कर लूंगी.
मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन से हार्ड वाले हैं.
फिर आप देख के बता दो.
Okay, we will start question number 7. It is good.
Okay.
7th question is xy is equals to logarithm y plus c, and y dash is equals to y square upon 1 minus xy. Xy is not equals to 1. First of all, can you give me the reason for this?
सर अगर xy 1 होएगा तो फिर लाइक 1 माइनस 1 नीचे 0 आ जाता है डिनोमिनेटर में.
बिल्कुल, तो डिनोमिनेटर नॉट डिफाइन हो जाएगा. एंड व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय y डैश?
So y dash is dy by dx.
Yes, y dash is dy by dx. So what I have to do is that either I have to start from the given function or relation to create given relation between y dash and xy, y square,
So
or
we
I
can
will
take
just
y.
tell,
We can take x in the denominator on the other side, so we'll get the value of y.
yes, that is a good way to go.
So and then we have the value of y, so we can differentiate it.
Okay, okay, just go in this way. What you are saying that have y and just shift x on another side. Are you saying it?
Log x plus c divided by x. Yes, sir.
Then
Then you can dy by dx.
okay, dy by dx. How will we differentiate it?
So we will take this one quotient rule.
Quotient rule. Okay, go on.
So x squared,
Yes,
like numerator will be x squared into d by dx of log y plus
it
c.
will be x d by
Yes,
dx of log y
yes, sir.
plus c also.
Plus c, and then log y plus c into d by dx by dx. So 1 हो जाएगा वो.
To dx by dx of x, it
वो
will
1 हो
be
जाएगा.
1. So we will have dy by dx is equals to what? X times. What is the derivative of logarithm y?
Log y 1 by y.
It will be 1 by y
And c का वैसे भी constant है, तो फिर it will be 1 only.
no. It is not logarithm x. It is logarithm y. If it is
Plus 1.
logarithm x, then it will be 1 by x.
अच्छा, तो dy
And
by
we will
dx.
stop. But it is y. So it will
dy
be
by
1 by
dx.
y and dy by dx. Yes, na?
Yes. Yes, sir. dy by dx plus 1.
Plus
1.
1 or 0?
Sir, एक minute. 0.
0. Then minus
Log
logarithm y plus c
plus c
times 1
into 1
over x
upon x
square.
square.
So I can write it as y dash. I can write it as y dash na.
Yes, sir.
So it will be x by y times y dash minus logarithm y plus c is xy. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Logarithm y plus c is nothing but xy. Because I am doing it because in my answer there is nothing like c. There is nothing like
Okay.
logarithm. So what
Yes,
I am
actually
doing
it's
is that,
constant, so we can अलग से write it also.
yes. So what I am doing is that logarithm y plus c is equivalent to or equals to xy. So I am just substituting it to eliminate log and c. Are you
Okay,
getting
sir.
it? Why I am
Yes, sir.
substituting?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So in denominator we have x square. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what we can do is that just divide the entire equation by x square. It will be y dash equals to xy dash upon x square y minus xy upon x square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 1 power of x will get cancelled out, and we will have y dash is equals to y dash over xy minus y by x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So separate y dash on one side and remaining on another side, so that we can have y dash separately. Just transfer it here, and this one is here. So it will be y by x is equals to y dash upon xy minus y dash. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it will be y by x is equals to xy as a LCM, and it will be y dash y dash minus
X, Y,
y
Y
dash
dash.
times xy. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So x will be cancelled out. It will be y is equals to y dash common out 1 minus xy upon y. Shift y on this side. It will be y square y dash into 1 minus xy. And then shift 1 minus xy on another side. It will be y dash equals to y square over 1 minus xy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
तो हमने क्या किया, फंक्शन से स्टार्ट किया और डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बना दिया, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि गिवन फंक्शन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है।
यस सर, सो y स्क्वायर अपन 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर आंसर मिल गया।
यस, and there is another way to go in this question. You can just differentiate as it is, like implicit function we can differentiate it here, and again we will have the same answer.
यस सर।
Okay, another question is now question number 6 is also, I think, calculating.
That's
Y
also
is
product
equals to
rule. We
x
product rule
times
से करते हैं।
sin x, and what I have to prove is that x times y dash is equals to y plus x under root x square minus y square. X times y dash is equals to y plus x under root x square minus y square. How will you start it?
So product rule.
Product rule. Okay, go for product rule. Dy by dx is equals to
X into cos x
cos x
plus
plus
sin x into 1.
sin x into 1. So I have dy by dx, which means y dash, is equals to x cos x plus sin x.
Yes,
Now
sir.
next,
So we can find like x y dash
okay, so
okay, multiplied by x.
okay, multiply by x, so it will be x y dash x square cos x plus x times sin x. Next,
I'm not sure after this.
very good. अब देखो जरा, जो मेरा इक्वेशन है, what we have in equation is that we are not having sin and cos. So
Yes,
what
sir.
we have to do is that we have to eliminate sin and cos. And to eliminate sin and cos, I will take the help of given original function y is equals to x sin x. And before that, you just look on it. X sin x is nothing but y.
Yes, sir. And cos x उसका derivative हुआ. So x
So,
square y dash plus y.
so it will be x sin x will be y na
Yes,
plus
sir.
x square cos x.
तो
Now
x
half
square
of the
cos x को हम x square cos x को हम like उसके डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Like sin x का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है.
नहीं,
Okay.
यहाँ हमने क्या किया, y dash is equals to x cos x plus sin x, and then we just multiply the entire equation by x. It became x y dash is equals to x square cos x plus x sin x. Then x sin x is equal to y. So what I have done is that x sin x is replaced by y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So half of the problem is gone. I have x y dash, I have x y dash, I have y and y. The remaining is that it must be x under root x square minus y square. So out of it, can I go there? Because it is cos x, and cos x is nothing but under root 1 minus sin square x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is x square under root 1 minus sin square x, and xy dash is equals to y plus x square under root 1 minus, what about sin x? Sin x from here will be, wait a minute. First of all, I will write y is equals to x sin x. Using y equals to x sin x, I can calculate sin x, and sin x will be y by x. And now my problem is gone, because what was my target is that I just want to eliminate sin x and cos x. By substituting y, I have eliminated sin x. Now the remaining problem is cos x. Cos x has been converted into 1 minus sin square x. and again
And
sin
then
x,
I
I
square by
will
x square.
have y by x. Clear na?
Yes, sir.
So xy dash is equals to y plus x square under root 1 minus sin square x will be y square by x square.
And then we can find LCM and we'll get that answer.
Yeah. Plus x square under root x square minus y square over x. Power 2 will be cancel out by a square root. And one power will be gone. It will be xy dash is equals to y plus x under root x square minus y square, which is my
So won't it be neater denominator be y x square?
in denominator we will have x square, but the square
LCM
root
x
of
square आना
entire
चाहिए.
function,
But
the
then
square
LCM
root
should be x square ना?
नहीं वो हाँ एलसीएम एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, लेकिन ये जो स्क्वायर रूट है ना ये कंप्लीट फंक्शन के साथ है, तो ये स्क्वायर रूट
अच्छा.
एलसीएम का
Okay,
जो
sir.
वो कैंसिल आउट कर देगा. समझाना
Okay.
क्या हुआ यहाँ?
हाँ, हाँ.
अनदर वे टू गो.
तो ये सबसे इजी वे है.
ये सबसे इजी है. अच्छा ये हो गया तो ये सबसे इजी है.
Yes, sir.
Another way to go is that just select left hand side and calculate y dash. Substitute y dash on left hand side, you will get a function. Then substitute y as x sin x on right hand side, again you will get a function. Function on left hand side and function on right hand side will be equal, and then you can comment that left hand side is
Yes.
equals to right hand side. So it is the solution. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
So practice for both the modes or both the methods, because it is sometimes the question has been designed so that you just go by a particular path or particular way. You just don't go by any way. Sometimes
So
it
how
is
will we
easy.
find out?
Yeah, sometimes it is easy by substitution. Sometimes it is very easy by deriving the differential equation. It depends on question.
Yes, sir. So like how do we find out like this question पे ये लगना है कि कैसे?
By substitution.
Like how will you know which method to use?
Well, it depends on your intelligence. You can use any method. Method is not the problem. The problem is your mathematical skills. Are you capable of taking a method and to go by the method till end, or you are just stuck in between the method? It is all by practice. You can go by any method. Method is not the problem. Problem is
Okay.
calculation. Are you able to calculate in that way or not? Is
Yes,
it clear?
yes, sir.
So if you think that by substitution it is easy for me, you go by substitution. And if you are thinking that I can make differential equation out of function, then that is also a good way to go.
So this is the easier way.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So should we do more questions or I can move on?
So you can move on.
Before moving, I will just comment on two most important questions which will make your concept more clear on constants. Question number 11 and 12 in NCERT exercise 9.2. Do you have?
Yes, sir.
So the question is the number of arbitrary constants in the general solution of a differential equation of fourth order. There is a differential equation of
Fourth order.
fourth order.
So it can be any number, no?
No, it will not be any number. Number of
So the whole
arbitrary constant. Number of arbitrary constant in the general solution of a differential equation of fourth order. The key point in this particular question is that what is the order of differential equation? That much arbitrary constant must be in the function or in the general solution. What is the order of differential equation? That will determine the arbitrary constant in general solution. So number of arbitrary constant in general solution is equal to the degree of differential equation, or sorry, order of differential equation. Number of arbitrary constant is equals to the order of differential equation.
but then,
Number of
example के लिए I have like एक dx dy4 upon d4x
yes,
like order 4 का है. तो
yes.
वो वो इक्वल टू सम कांस्टेंट आई हैव, तो वहां पर एक ही कांस्टेंट हुआ ना?
नहीं, जनरल सॉल्यूशन में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? जनरल सॉल्यूशन में वापस आओ, जनरल सॉल्यूशन इज हियर. General solution is a solution in which I will have arbitrary constant, and I have not comment here that how many arbitrary constants. So it will depend on the order of differential equation. If it is of first order, arbitrary constant will be 1. If it is of second order, arbitrary constant will be 2. If it is of third order, arbitrary constants will be 3. In general solution it is. Are you getting it?
तो लाइक जब हम लेंगे एक्चुअली तो हम उसको लाइक कांस्टेंट 0 और 1 भी ला सकते हैं, तो फिर वो उसके हिसाब से मिलेगा.
वो पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन बना जब आपने 1 2 अगर
Yes, sir,
सेलेक्ट
particular
किया है तो
solution. Like we
हम
can
जनरल
substitute the
सॉल्यूशन की बात.
arbitrary constants 2, 0 or 1 also.
Yes. Just look at this example again. D square y by dx square plus y. The order of differential equation is 2 na,
Yes,
and in
sir.
solution you can have two arbitrary constants a and b.
पर ये
Is it clear?
नेसेसरी नहीं है ना?
नेसेसरी है, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा सर, तो फिर अगर हमको हमारे पास y की वैल्यू खाली a sin x है, b नहीं है, तो फिर वो एक ही हुआ ना कांस्टेंट?
हाँ, एक ही हुआ, लेकिन उस केस में ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा फिर. डी
अच्छा,
स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाएगा फिर ये.
ओके सर.
So differential equation if is of fourth order, then number of arbitrary constants in general solution will be as that of order of the differential equation. So answer will be what?
4.
Answer will be 4. And 12th question is again on the same concept but with little
आंसर
bit
3
difference.
होगा, उसका 3 होगा.
Number of arbitrary constants in particular solution
तो इसमें भी 3 होएगा ना फिर?
of order of degree 3. Of order of degree, sorry,
3.
order 3. Of
Third
order
तो यहाँ पे
order
3 होना चाहिए ना आंसर?
एक सेकंड. of order 3 क्या होगा?
3
क्यों?
सर क्योंकि ऑर्डर 3 है, कांस्टेंट
यस,
3
order
होने
3
चाहिए.
है. यस, एग्जैक्टली. लेकिन यहाँ जो मैंने कमेंट किया वो ध्यान से पढ़ो. Number of arbitrary constant in general solution is equals to the order of the differential equation. And in the next question, it is about number of arbitrary constant in
अच्छा तो फिर
particular
0
solution.
0
Zero. Clear
इसमें
ना?
कांस्टेंट होता ही नहीं है.
Yes, that is the main key point here, that we are talking about particular solution. It is not now general solution. In general solution we will have arbitrary constants, but in particular solution we do not have any arbitrary constant. We have constant, but we do not have arbitrary constants. Are you making the difference between constant and arbitrary constant?
Yes sir, I got
Clear
it.
na?
Yes sir.
Okay. So next question, I think time is going to.
So there is like 7 minutes.
नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट तो नहीं हो पाएगा फिर उसमें, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा.
नहीं, तो इसी का एक और क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं ना?
यस,
हम इसमें 9th वाला क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, tan इनवर्स y वाला.
यस ऑफ कोर्स. इट इज 9th is x plus y
equal to tan inverse y.
tan inverse y, and what we have to do is that y square y dash plus y square plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, how will you proceed?
तो पहले तो हम लोग वो y स्क्वायर और उसको हम dy by dx के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं.
पहले तो क्या?
पहले उसको हम लोग dy by dx वाले फॉर्म में लिख के कर सकते हैं. तो like we can write as y equal to tan inverse y minus x.
Okay, then we will differentiate right now.
Yes sir.
Okay, tell me one thing, that why are you doing it again and again, that I will have one on one side and remaining on another side? Why are you doing it?
Because it's
Is it
easy to substitute.
is it necessary that for differentiation you have to shift x on another side always? Why must be on one side and remaining on other side? Is it necessary?
No, it's not necessary.
So if we are having a function, then direct we can differentiate it where the variables are, just by implicit differentiation. Do you know about it now?
Sir, I'm not sure.
Implicit in implicit functions, what we have is that we have variables intermingle, and we do not want to separate them, because it may be time consuming for me to separate y as a single and remaining on other side. In this question it is easy, that's why we are going that way. But in some questions maybe that it is not that easy,
Yes,
that we
sir.
will have y on one side and remaining on another side. So for that particular conditions, we have deal with a different concept, which is how to differentiate implicit function. If we are having implicit function that variables are intermingled, then differentiate where the variable is. Differentiate the variable as it is, where it is in function. Don't make it separate. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. So in this case, we'll like differentiate both sides.
Yes.
Okay.
So we will write it differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What is the derivative of, first of all, we can write it as d by dx of x plus d by dx of y, and is equals to
Yes,
d
sir.
by dx of tan inverse y. Tan inverse y. Now tell me the derivative of x.
Sir, x card will be 1.
It will be 1. What is the derivative of y?
So it will be like dy by dx only. We'll leave it
dy
as
by
y
dx,
dash.
or I can write it y
Y
dash.
dash.
Okay. What is the derivative of tan inverse y?
1 upon 1 plus x square.
1 upon 1 plus,
X square.
but it is not x.
Y square. And then
Y
I'll
square
take 1
and
into 2y.
into 2. Why 2y?
Because dy by dx of y square. Okay, no, dy by
No, it
dx.
will be like,
dy by dx.
yes, dy by dx. So I will have what? Y dash na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will be 1 plus y dash is equals to y dash over 1 plus y square. Yes or no?
So then we can get the answer. As cross multiply, we'll get the answer.
Yes. So just cross multiply. It will be y dash is equals to 1 plus y dash into 1 plus y square. Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So it will be y dash is equals to 1 plus y square plus y dash y square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So one y dash will cancel out,
Yes, sir. So
and
we'll
we
get the
will
answer.
have y dash y square plus 1 is equals to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
कर लोगे यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
और कोई क्वेश्चन?
सर पता नहीं.
बहुत अच्छे. सब तो मैं नहीं कर दिया, तुम क्या करोगे अब?
सर लाइक मैंने भी किए, लाइक मैं कर दूंगी, बाकी मैं कर दूंगी.
बहुत अच्छे. तो एक्सरसाइज 9.1 कंप्लीट करना है और 9.2 कंप्लीट करना है. क्लियर?
यस सर.
तो अगर कल लेक्चर हुआ तो ये
सर
कंप्लीट ही
कल
हो
मैम ने
जाएगा.
बोला सुबह को होएगा, लाइक यहाँ के 7 इंडिया के 9 बजे.
ठीक है, ठीक है. तब ये 2 लेक्चर का और बचता है बस, ज्यादा नहीं है अभी इसमें.
ठीक है सर. सर मैम ने बोला कल सुबह लेक्चर होएगा,
ठीक है.
तो लाइक टाइम आप कंफर्म कर लो.
हाँ, मैं कर लूंगा. कब एग्जाम कब है?
मंडे को.
बहुत अच्छे. और तुम्हें अभी याद आया वो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन भी है?
सर मैंने यहाँ पे लाइक रिसेंटली ज्वाइन किया था, तो हम लोग ने दूसरे चैप्टर्स हम लोग कर रहे हैं और साथ साथ में यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन
अच्छा, ऐसा है.
हम लोग यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हैं.
ओके ओके, इंटीग्रेशन लगेगा इसमें भी, है ना, तो उसका फॉर्मूला वगैरह पढ़ लेना अच्छे से।
ऑलमोस्ट हो गया इंटीग्रेशन में, तो उसके फॉर्मूलाज याद करने हैं। तो बाकी आप कल का टाइम मतिया मैम से कंफर्म कर देना।
हाँ वो मैं कर लूंगा। एंड कर दूं मैं मीटिंग?
यस सर।
1 मिनट बचता है वैसे तुम्हारा।
वो चलता है।
ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर।
कैसे हो, कैंसिल करो ना, कैसे होगा? सारे मोबाइल वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं।